Hey, this is Barry, and in this video, we're going to go ahead and get started with creating campaigns. All right. Now, before we jump into this full on, I want to go ahead and go over to Facebook and show you a couple examples of the end product here when it comes to campaigns. Now, in the previous videos, you've probably seen where we create a collection of products. That was by taking our products and adding them to a collection that we created. So these products came by way of pulling them in from our WooCommerce setup, okay, from one of our stores on a website, okay, brought them in as products. Then we create a collection, and then we added these products to the collection so that we can then create these very cool carousel style campaigns where that people can just kind of bounce through them. When they see something they like, they click shop now. It's going to take them directly to the link where they can purchase this product or this product, whichever one they click on is going to go to the appropriate destination URL. Okay, so those are the carousel style ads. And then our regular CTA style ads, okay, these are going to be single product ads, call to action with a little shop now button on them here, are just a matter of bringing a product into the system and then creating the CTA ads, which I'll show you in just a second. Again, somebody clicks, it's just going to take them off to the destination URL. In this case, it is a Amazon affiliate link that I'm sending them to for these truck lights. This would be something for my 4x4 truck page that I have a big following on. This would be a great product, to market to them. Oh, how we jumped that. There we go. So anyway, backing up here. Oh, let's go ahead and jump to Twitter while we're at it here. These are how the ads look on Twitter. You just go ahead and click, and we can only do CTA, just the single product ones, but they look really nice coming down the Twitter timeline for people to see. And when they click, it's going to take them directly where they're supposed to go as well, to the destination URL that we set. So bouncing back over here to our dashboard area, new campaigns, Facebook, which is the page that I'm on now. And we're going to create a carousel post campaign. We click on that. Now, once you watch a couple of these, you're going to see that the system is pretty much the same all the way through when it comes to creating the different styles of campaigns. Very simple and easy to understand and learn how to do. So we're doing Facebook. So we're going to go ahead and select the Facebook account we want to work with. You can have multiple accounts if you choose to. In my case, I just have one, and then it's going to reload the page. And now I'm going to go ahead and choose, because it's a carousel ad, okay, I need to choose a collection that I've created previously. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. I need to caption it, so I'm just going to put I don't know, ninja bad right here. Okay, I guess it would help if I spelled ninja right, and I'm not a spelling ninja. All right, so there we go. And then next thing I'm going to do is choose the Facebook page that I want this to go to. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's go here to Close Bytes, and from there I would just enter in a message. Now, of course, for the sake of time, message goes here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click next. Okay, nothing real difficult, right? We created the collection earlier already by bringing our products, add them to a collection. We selected the collection we want. We would just put in a description as we wanted to. That's what's going to show up above the ad, and that was pretty much it. Nothing, and then decide what page we're going to send it to. From here, we're going to go ahead and set the button that we want to use. So it can be any of these. In my case, because they're products I want people to buy, I want shop now. And then I want to send them to the default product page, okay? In carousel ads, we're not going to set a URL individually, and we're not going to set out a product, set up a product page, because we have multiple products. So we're going to use the default product page. When you import your products in from those shopping platforms, Shopify, Wish, and Woo, it's going to go ahead and grab the destination URL for you automatically. So all you have to do is select the default product page, and you're set up. Okay. Next thing you do is click on next. And from there, it's a matter of just going, okay, I want to send it now, or do I want to send it later, by scheduling it up here on the calendar. Okay. Don't overlook and forget we have this scheduling calendar, because you can come in here and set up your campaigns for an entire week, have a couple run on each platform each day. One in the morning, one in the evening for Facebook, one in the morning, one in the evening for Twitter, and lay them out there Monday through, all week long, and then sit back and watch your sales pour in, right? So from there, all you need to do once you've selected what you want to do is simply click the publish. And once you've done that, you'll see a little green success button or success window pop up here. And when that happens, we'll give it just a second. It takes a minute for the system to go ahead and connect up and send the ad out. What will happen is I'll just go ahead and jump here for the sake of time. It's going to bounce over here, and then you would see that CTA ad. This is exactly what you would see because that's the one I chose. Show up over here on your Facebook page. Okay. So from there, see it finished up. It went ahead and created a campaign. You can see once it sends it out, it then sends that information over to the campaign reports. So now you can see my Ninja Bad. This is the page I sent it to. It was a carousel ad. You can see that. You can see the day and the time, and it'll track what happens over there. Okay. So that's how those get set up. Coming down, we'll stick with Facebook in this video. If we do a CTA post, again, same thing. We're working Facebook. Select the page that you want or the account you want to work with for Facebook. The page is going to reload. It's a little bit different on this. I'll show you here. We're giving this a post name. We're just going to do, we'll stick with the Ninja theme. This time we'll spell Ninja right. Choose the page you want to work with. So back to this one. Your message again. Message here. Write something out really nice as far as your message. You're going to go ahead and click next. Now, in this case, we have a couple different ways we can go. You can either enter an image URL by grabbing one from somewhere, okay, or you can upload from your computer. Now, this is going to apply. Let me go ahead and enter one here just so you can, let's go and do it. I'm sorry. Let's upload one. It'll be quicker. Let me just grab, we'll just use this one as an example. Okay, so brings the product in over here, okay? So then if I go ahead and click next, so this would be a case where you're doing maybe an affiliate product with Amazon. So go ahead and click next. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in the information, okay? So the call to action button, okay, I can do shop now again. You see it's that's what I want to add in. You see the little button, right? Message here, this is where I type message here, but you want to, of course, put more information in this section here. Now, in this space here, this is where we're going to be able to select. We want to enter the URL that we want them to go to. Are we selling a product that we're going to ship ourselves? If that's the case, we're going to use a checkout page. And we showed you checkout pages before, or default product page, and this would not apply because in this case, if we're just going in and bringing a product ourselves, the system doesn't know where this product sits, or resides. So we're going to use the enter URL option, and we would just grab the URL from Amazon or wherever you're sourcing this product from, and then put it here. Okay, so in this case, here, I'm just going to go ahead and grab. Actually, well, it doesn't really matter if I'm used to using my affiliate links for everything. So let me grab this. Come back up here. If we go ahead and put the link in real quick. All right. So now it's there. I can go ahead and click next. And now it's just a matter of sending the post now or scheduling up for later. All right. So that's one way you can do it. All right. By bringing a picture of the product, put in the information, put in the destination URL, put in your button text that you want, and go. All right. Now, the other option is to go ahead and select from products you've already brought into the system. Okay. Now, since you've already brought them into the system, it's going to go ahead and set it up for you. So if I select these, which are the Jaybirds, I want to go with this campaign. I can simply come down and just select the one I want. Maybe if I want to choose a Ninja hoodie, I can do that. I can come down and pick one that I manually imported or one that I pulled in from my shopping store. Okay, doesn't really matter. We'll go ahead and just go back to this one for the sake of argument. Click next. Okay, now in this case, I'm going to get rid of this because I want to go to that URL. I'm going to select the default product page. Okay, remember what I said. The system, when you import your product through any of your stores, Wish, Shopify, or Woo, it's going to pull in the correct URL. It knows that what the default product page is to send to. So really, that's all I had to do. Assign the button and then go ahead and set default. Go on to next. I'm done. It's that quick. Okay. So those are the options you have there when it comes to setting up these campaigns. Same if I wanted to go with this product, click next, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the default product page on this one because when I brought this in, I went ahead and let the system know what the default product page link is for this product. I just copied it and brought it in. Okay. So real simple to do. I showed you what those campaigns look like going out. Right here is a CTA ad. This is how it sets up, has the image, has whatever information you put up here. And then coming down here, it's going to go ahead and have the shop now button. It's going to send you off where you want to go. Okay. So super simple, clickable ads. Coming back here, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up for now. And then we'll, as far as Facebook side of things, and then we'll go ahead and jump into Twitter in the next video. Okay, great. We'll see you in the next one.